Hello friends, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So we are solving mathematical physics written by H.K. Das, and today we are going to solve question number 8 of Fourier series, that is of exercise 11.3. Sorry. So students, as we have already solved in the first part of that question, that is 11.3.8, video number 11.3.8, we had find its sine series and cosine series for the function x plus 1 in between the limits 0 to pi. Now in this video we are going to deduce this relation, okay, that is 1 minus 1 by 3 plus 1 by 5 minus 1 by 7 up to dash 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 equals to pi by 4, and second relation is this. So students, earlier we had found that the sine series of this function can be represented by this formula. Now students, if I will put x equals to pi by 2 in this sine series, if I will put x equals to pi by 2 in sine series only, then we will get its value just like that. Pi by 2 plus 1 equals to 2 by pi, bracket start, pi by 2 sorry, sine x by 2 minus pi by 2 sine x, sine 2 dot x by 2 will be sine x only, plus 1 by 3 into pi plus 2 sine 3x or 3 pi by 2 minus pi by 4 sine 2x up to sorry, dash dash dash. So this relation can be written just like that. I am taking LCM over there, and this value will become sorry, pi plus 2 divided by 2 equals to 2 by pi, and bracket start, pi by 2, pi plus 2 into sine pi by 2, that was pi by 2, so sine pi by 2 is always 1, minus sine x or sine pi, here that will be sine pi, so this value will be 0, and plus 1 by 3 into pi plus 2 sine 3 pi by 2 will be minus 1. Okay, as we know that the sine series can be represented by this wave sorry, we know that here sine 0 is 0 and sine 90 is 1. So sine 180 is 0. So sine 180, 360 means sine pi, 2 pi, 3 pi, 4 pi will always be 0. And sine that is pi by 2 and that is 3 pi by 2 will be minus 1. Then 5 pi by 2, then 7 pi by 2, then 9 pi by 2. Okay. So at 3 pi by 2, at 7 pi by 2 value will be minus 1. So I can write at 3 pi by 2 that is minus 1. Now again sine 2 pi. 2 pi will be 0 only, then next value will be that is minus 1, so I can put minus over there, and this value will be plus only. Now next value will be plus only, so this value I can write pi plus 2 divided by that was 4, so this value will be 5. Now again minus pi by 2 divided by 7 up to dash dash dash. Okay, so here pi by 2, pi by 2, pi by 2, pi by 2, I can take pi by 2 common, and on left hand side pi plus 2 by 2 will be equals to 2 by pi into pi plus 2. I am taking pi plus 2 common, and inside 1 by 1 minus 1 by 3 plus 1 by 5 minus 1 by 7 up to dash dash dash. Okay, so pi by 2 will cancel out pi by 2 and pi will move to that side, so pi divided by this 2 will move to that side. Pi by 4 will be equals to 1 minus 1 by 3 plus 1 by 5 minus 1 by 7 up to dash dash dash. So we proved the relation, we proved first relation. Okay, now to prove second relation, what I am going to do, I will take cosine series, and cosine series is just given like that, and I will put x equals to 0. I am just going to take another page to solve that relation, and we will get its value just like that. Put x equals to 0 in this equation, so we will get 0 plus 1 equals to pi by 2 plus 1 minus 4 into cos 0 plus cos 0 by 3 square plus cos 0 by 5 square up to dash dash dash, because cos 3x cos 5x will be cos 0 only, and this relation will become 1 will cancel out this one, and this minus pi by 2 will become minus pi by 2 by bringing in that side. So minus pi by 2 will be equals to minus 4 into cos 0 is 1 always, so 1 by 1 square plus 1 by 3 square plus 1 by 5 square, okay, up to dash dash dash. So this minus will cancel out this minus, sorry, that was pi by 4 by pi. That relation was, sorry students, that relation was 4 by pi. So 4 by pi, and this pi will move to that side, so and 4 will move to that side also, so this value will become pi square by 8, because 4 that side and 2 that side, sorry, pi that side. So this value will be equals to pi square by 8 equals to 1 by 1 square plus 1 by 3 square plus 1 by 5 square up to dash dash dash. So we proved both the relations, and in this video we have to prove only this. If you want the solutions for the sine series and cosine series for this function, then please go through my last video, that was 11.3.8. Thank you, have a good day.